Hello, my name is Aria. In this time, we are going to talk about my last vacation. In my last vacation, I have a very pleasant experience. I was able to live with my family. I went to the El Saltadero River in Los Cocos de Jacagua with my family and friends. Also visit the Golden Beach in Cabarete, where we spent a wonderful day enjoying the beach and nature. My family and I were at the grandparents' house, where we made some delicious sweet beans. Also, my friends and I went out the party and, and had a lot of fun. Thank you.